Everybody, please welcome Helen Pinson.
Thank you. It's been about a year since I did my last presentation, so this is something that's always fun. And Josh is here today. Just in a minute, we actually are going to do something kind of fun, and we're actually going to do a game. So we'll try to present banking in a way that doesn't make you fall asleep. I know it's not one of the most exciting topics. As Philip said, I've been with First American for quite a long time. Really, I actually started when my junior year of college. I started as their marketing intern. I knew nothing about banking. I knew nothing actually about marketing, funnily enough. I majored in psychology and Spanish in college and had a minor in economics. I thought I would move in kind of the nonprofit field or counseling, and I actually really ended up liking the banking world and business side. And when I graduated college, I stayed and became an assistant branch manager at one of our branches at the time. I moved to managing my own branch within a year and a half. Learned commercial or consumer lending and did a lot of car loans and equity lines and things like that for personal accounts. And after managing a branch for a few years, I moved into commercial, and I've been doing that for about 5 years. And I still do consumer banking, accounts, consumer loans. I will do a car loan all day long, especially if anyone in here has one. But commercial is really my expertise. There's a lot of moving parts with every business is different, and I've had the experience working in, for the last 5 years with businesses in Athens and Oconee area, and so every business is different, especially lending to a business is a tricky business sometimes. So without further ado, and I did leave on the tables around everyone, I left, there's a location map of all of our branches, and we also have a really good checking account that we're offering right now. It's called the Fab Rewards Checking. It's a free checking account. It actually earns 1% interest if you use your debit card. 1% sounds low, but it's actually a really, really high rate right now. You can even find CDs out there for 1%. And we also reimburse your foreign ATM fees if you use, you have to go to town or something like that and you use your First American debit card at another bank's ATM. We actually refund those fees for you every month, so you're not having to come out of pocket for any of those. So that's something to keep in mind as well. So without further ado, we're going to move into our fun portion of this, and we are actually going to play Jeopardy. And the setup of this room actually is going to work really well. This is going to be Team A. Ryan and Philip, y'all are going to go with Team A here, and Tim and Dewey back there, y'all are going to be Team B over here, okay? So we're going to read some questions out. Josh is going to play. I guess Alex Trebek doesn't have an assistant. We'll still call you Vanna.
That's Vanna.
So.
Vanna. Now you guys do
We'll call you Vanna. Yeah. So just raise your hands. Josh is going to be you're going to judge, right?
Yeah.
Raise your hands, and you do have to answer in the form of the questions. You have to say what is. And at the end, the team that actually wins and gets the most points, we have some nice little gifts for everybody on the team. So in addition to the door prize. So without further ado, Ryan, get us started. Yes, sir.
All right. That's my presidential duties.
Yes. Can you see? Let me read the categories really quick. Numbers with friends. That's kind of a play on words with friends. So all of the questions or answers in that category will involve some kind of a number.
Okay.
Products and services. So these are First American Bank products and services. The Pinson bio. This is things specifically about me, and it may involve me working for First American, maybe not. Input and potables. This is just kind of a mix of a lot of different things.
You got to start with code and potable for 400.
All right. And again, just raise your hand if you know the answer, and Josh will call you. This is First American Bank's website.
FABAthens.com.
You got it!
What
Yes.
is FABAthens.com?
Oh, yes.
That's right. She did not.
We'll take it since it's a different answer.
This is Team A.
Yes, this is Team A. We'll count that.
That's what you get for bringing good door prizes. This is going to be very competitive.
Okay, Kelly, you get to pick.
I will take numbers with friends for 200, please.
Okay. This is the number of branches that First American Bank has. Benny.
What is 7?
Yep. Wonderful. Yes, you have to.
Very good, team.
She's always about to take his shoe off.
All right, team. You gotta
I
keep
had one hand raised. That was amazing for me.
There you go.
We ate, yeah, we're.
I know. Okay, Benny, pick us one.
I'll go with the Pinson bio for 800.
Okay.
Whoa!
All right. Helen is a board member of this Athens nonprofit, which promotes suicide awareness within the Athens music and arts community.
Mental health in Northeast Georgia.
No.
What is Nucci Space?
Yep.
What
I
is-
used to be.
Which team is he on?
A.
Steven's on it.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
That was definitely
Okay.
a trick question.
That was a trick question. Okay, Steven.
Products and services for 600.
Okay. First American Bank has just rolled out this convenient and tech-friendly product. Ryan.
Check the mobile check deposit. What's the question? What is mobile check deposit?
No.
Your phone. What
I'm gonna go to, it's close, but no cigar. I'm gonna go to Diane.
Oh, I don't have no.
Oh, I thought you
What
raised your hand.
What is check deposit remotely? Remote check
Nope.
deposit.
What is an iPhone app or a mobile app?
Yeah, that'll count. Mobile banking, yeah. Okay,
Steve,
so
what
next
team is
up.
Steven on for years?
Okay, Steven was on.
Steve, what team are you on?
I was on
On the
A.
A team.
I used to That was 600 products and services. Yep. A team's killing it. Okay, B team. You just answered that one. Tobin does. You get a pen.
Let's do Pinson bio for 600.
Okay. Now, some people that weren't in the group last year, you're not going to be able to answer, but I think there's enough on each team where you should. This was the topic that Helen talked about during her last 10-minute presentation for BNI.
Helen is Helen.
Okay.
What is it? You first.
Y'all are on the same team, so it doesn't matter. Yeah.
What is the history of First American Bank and Trust?
Yep, you got it.
Oh, that is
Wow. Kelly might get a bonus prize for that one. That was hard. Okay.
Okay, can we do products and services for 400?
Okay. This product allows business customers to scan checks and make deposits at their office without making a trip to the bank.
What is remote check deposit?
Sure. Yes. Remote deposit capture. Yes. Okay,
Just
Diane.
keep giving the same answer until I get the right answer.
Okay, you get to pick.
Oh.
Big money. We need big money.
Big money. Yeah.
Do we need
Yeah, numbers with friends. $800.
Okay. This one's a little bit tough. You have to kind of pay attention. This is kind of general banking, so you might know this one. The dollar amount of FDIC insurance on deposit accounts is limited to this amount per individual.
125,000. What is 125,000? Oh, I'm so terrible.
25,000?
Nope.
No.
What? 250,000.
Yes, 250,000
Oh.
per individual. So if you have a joint account with your husband or wife, you actually are both insured up to $250,000 each. So it would be a joint of $500,000.
Wish I had that problem.
Yes, Jeff, I hear you on that. Okay, Dr. Hubbard? You get the pick?
Alex, you're back.
Pinson, bio for 400, please.
Okay. Helen and her boyfriend Marcus are huge fans of this pro sports team.
Go to the Atlanta Braves.
You got it. Okay, Doug?
Yep. Let's see. Put this out of reach here. Let's go with products and services for 800.
Okay. 401ks, estate planning, and investment management are all found in this First American Bank department.
What is wealth management?
Close.
Come on.
What is the estate planning and trust department?
Trust department. That's what I
What's
was
the
looking
word?
for.
Trust.
Alright, we're done, I know. Let's do one more, we'll do one more question, and then we'll wrap up.
From the top, right?
Numbers of friends with 5,000.
This is embarrassing.
Total was great.
Okay, Putin total was 800. First American, y'all may not know this, but just kind of take some guesses. This will be good for y'all. First American Bank recently did a cookout on the lawn of our main office in downtown Athens to benefit this Northeast Georgia nonprofit organization. I'll give you a hint. This organization actually helps other nonprofits as well. So I saw Carl.
What is Food Bank?
Nope.
What is the United Way?
You got it.
Oh,
United Way.
awesome, awesome.
Oh, we've done that. I kind of threw that question in there to really show you how much we do for the community. We are a community bank, and we actually, that was our second one that we've done, but we are going to make that an annual thing where we do a cookout for all the proceeds benefit United Way. So appreciate it. Team A is the
By
lucky
a
team.
landslide.
That's it. I know I'm kind of over time. Thank you, Josh, for helping. I know I'm over time, but like I said, any kind of a banking need that you have, it could be an off-the-wall question that you want to run by me. It could be a business that you know. I've been doing this a long time, and we really do banking the right way. Customer service is what our bank was founded on. We are actually celebrating our 85th anniversary next year, and we're able to do that because we've put our customers first all of these years. Everything we do is for our customers, and if you have anything in the banking realm, send it my way. Appreciate it.